Having siblings is crazy because you will do literally anything for them, but they'll also be your least favorite person on earth at the same time. Like when I was younger, I turned off my older brother's PlayStation mid-game because I wanted him to take me to my friend's house, and he got so mad that he started chasing me around the house. But then my mom saw him doing this and she made him stop. But in that moment, he told me that when I was least expecting it, he was gonna get revenge on me. So for the whole next year, I was living in fear, just waiting for the moment when he was gonna do something. I could barely sleep for a couple months because I thought that was when he was gonna make his move. But he never did make a move, which was almost more scary. But the funny thing is that during this same time period, I peed my pants at school one day, so people started to make fun of me and call me names. And it was pretty funny, to be honest, but I was super embarrassed. And my brother was the only person to stand up for me and tell everyone else to stop making fun of me. I'm not even kidding. It's like your siblings are Batman and Joker.